Hey, welcome back everybody. Sign here again with episode 21 of my Antimatter Chemistry playthrough. And it's looking pretty damn empty in here. So let's dress it up a little bit, shall we? I seem to have gotten myself almost 2 stacks of monitors, which will definitely help. And the other thing is I finally have enough resources that you can get 118 black hole units. Let's see, we should see this firing up. Yep. Blaze powder, I'm making glass. And I think that's actually just about, oh yeah, stupid amount of 10 gears too. So, blaze should be done pretty quick actually. I've got to make 110 gear per. I need 3 ender pearls per each one. But I did enough trial keystone things that it's not a huge issue. So, one thing I am curious about though. I want to put that away. No, I don't have it in there. That's alchemistry, right? This thing. Periodic diagram. So we're looking at 7 blocks tall. Plus there's this right here, right? And we're at what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to have to change something up here. Well, I can put helium and hydrogen kind of up in the ceiling a bit, because these are just slabs. So actually what I could do is do that, and I wish it was, here we go, there. I wish the range was turned up higher on ore excavate, really, I do. And last little bit here. So there we go. That'll give us our 7 blocks. Actually, now where are we at here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So let's go ahead and plot this out with torches. Just makes it a little bit easier, right? All right. Now we are looking at what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 wide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now the question is, do I want to have it off-centered? I'm thinking yes, because that's how I'm going to account for down here, right? That's what, 13 wide? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 wide, sorry. And if I go, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That'll fit. And actually, I could probably try and center this a little bit better, like so. Oh wait, it's got 2 blocks on each side. And this is only going to have 1 block over here, but oh well. I will deal with it. So, now that we have that figured out, we are going to put our hydrogen here, and our helium can go here. And so basically now we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. 4. Now can I wrench this up? No. I cannot wrench that up. And then we're looking at like 4 blocks further down. I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, give me that torch back. Stuck on a lamp. Okay. Right. And then we come over here, and you are what? In the way of the map. 6. Right? 4, 5, 6. And we'll just do that again here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can just like fill all this in here, right? Yeah, that should work. All right, we're back, and I did a few things off camera, and one of which is I made a bunch of black hole units. I made 118 of them, so should be enough. Plus, on top of the ones that are already in here for various sundries that I'm getting, and then same with here. Aluminum oxide. Oh, that's right, because most of it is sitting in a drawer in my inventory, and I'm importing. So silicon dioxide, wrong one, in here. Ah, good. Just making sure it is going in the black hole unit, because that's a lot of silicon dioxide, honestly. And my mod farm is now running in through here. Whenever a loot chest drops, it opens up, goes to here, gets imported into the system. Everything's wonderful. So, and I got it done. I got the wall done. I got the wall populated with every element. And I've got a lot of elements to make, especially in this grouping here. The transitionals, I think. But yes, pretty much imported just about everything from my drawers over. I do have a few drawers left to import. Like cesium, I got francium here. Wonderful things like, oh, radon, yeah. Algilia, and krypton, argon. I did make some helium and neon, because I was like, I should get those put in there. So I was thinking about putting a stack of everything in here, and then I got to looking at how much I actually needed. I'm like, I will pass for now. SB. What is SB? Antimony. Okay. Stibnite. Right. Should know that. Are you done? You are done. Come here. Ah, thank you. That was wonderful. Just what I wanted. How about you? You're good? All right. You're the empty one. Okay, so I've got 3 wonderful drawers left. And this is my aluminum oxide. It's not going to take that long to go in there anyway. Yes, this took a few hours, honestly. Hell, just making these things took 40 minutes because of how many processors I had to smelt up. And I did upgrade this a little bit more, but my power's not infinite right now. I mean, it's... for standard operation, it's pretty infinite. But, yeah. Also, I had a graphical glitch on my power cells, which I just slapped my extra ones here so that I could, have them tie into the network so there's extra power. It just added 2 million by just placing them down. But when I logged in, there's this texture on this side, there's this texture on this side, and on the top, but on this side, it's like, oh, hey, look, normal power cell. So... yeah, I'm not sure exactly what happened there, but it's a thing. It is definitely a thing. There we go. And this is my potassium chloride, which I also still have some elements over in this building. Not elements, actually a couple elements probably. So the rare ones, I have americium, rhenium, and rhodium over here. But I've also got things like titanium dioxide and protein and all sorts of other things. And then I've got a ton of sodium chloride here still. And I've got a lot of hexane. But pretty much everything else has been moved out of here. I mean, even the storage drawers are all gone. I'm not sure what I'm going to use that building for now, but there are going to be a few things I have to keep manufacturing. Now, americium is over here, right? Yeah, it's right here. Rhenium. What is rhenium? 75. That would be... At least I have enough of an idea. And rhodium is 45. Rhodium is going to be easier to find, I think. Yeah, there's rhodium right there. Rhenium. What is birhenium? Oh, tungsten, so it's transitional, okay. Right? Or not. There it is. There's rhenium. Alright, cool. It's been years since I've actually had the periodic table memorized. Alright, you can go there. It's just a way of keeping track of my extra ones. Or my empties. And how are we doing here? We are not doing terrible, actually. 100,000 out of 500,000. A lot of that is ores coming in, so it's to be expected, honestly. I do love how fast this is, though. And 12,000 iron. So those can just go there for now. In case I need drawers for anything, which I might. But I do have a quest complete, and that is here. From a fusion core. I never actually claimed it. Do I want a single transparent? No, not really. I'll take some speed upgrades. And then there's the 64 transparent fusions, or the electromagnets. I got those made too. That took a while. Go ahead and claim that, and we'll just grab some speed upgrades. Because I've got a lot more energy upgrades than I do speed upgrades right now. But no, that took a while because I goofed up on a recipe. Alloy furnace. I have it set to lithium dust. And so the system actually, because I didn't catch it, the system actually pulverized all that flippin' lithium first. Then smelted it up, whenever it can honestly just use lithium ingots. I didn't catch it till too late, though. By the time I caught it, it was already halfway done, and I'm like, I'm not monkeying up. Not that, this. I'm not screwing that up, honestly. If I stop the craft now, I'm not even sure what's going to happen. But the fact I'm going to have a lot of lithium, I have to smelt back up. And honestly, it was just a little bit of time and power, so I mean, it wasn't the end of the world, but it wasn't the greatest. I need to pay more attention in the future. But Chapter 5 is now complete, finally. So Chapter 6... we need Wyvern Fusion Crafting to progress any further here. And Final isn't even unlocked yet, because you need neutron collectors, which have to be made in the Extreme Crafting Table. Used to be known as the Dire Crafting Table, because it's, well, 9x9. This needs a couple of awakened cores, though. Which needs awakened ingots, which, you know, requires dragon eggs and that whole thing. Here we go. Actually, no dragon eggs. Just a bunch of cores, which is a bunch of draconium. Also, draconium does need a heart, though, which comes from pristine ender dragon matter. So, yes, I almost need a second one of those just to produce hearts. I don't want to grind any more dragons, though. I really don't. I am done grinding dragons for now. So. But this is going to require diamonds I have, not a problem. Draconium and a Wyvern core and 2 Draconic cores, which the Wyvern core is 4 Draconic cores. So that's what? 16, 20, 4, 8, plus 9, so 37 Draconium ingots per injector. And then we need to make the awakened draconium blocks and all that fun stuff. So how are my dimensional shards doing? Because that's actually kind of sort of the holdup right now. We are at 370. So I can almost craft 100. Look at 92. Yeah, 92 draconium ingots. And actually, wow. I unhooked the quantum quarry because honestly it wasn't producing all that much comparatively. And that actually really dropped my power consumption. That is kind of cool. And here we're at 64,000, so not bad. And 57 pristine Endermans. You're out of polymer clay for now anyway. So I should get this going though. Also, Ender pearls for days. I don't think I need the end crystals anymore. I don't think. I can make ender crystal gems. I can make growth crystal tier 3s with them. And I can portal charm. That's about it. So, not really feeling like I need to worry about that. Also, this probably should move this little setup here. And this needs to go somewhere else too. But that'll be a thing for next episode, because honestly, with all the crafting and everything like that, with everything else in my life going on right now, I started recording this episode yesterday morning, and it is now 3 p.m. the day after. So, I'm going to probably cut this here, because I need to be able to have a video go out. Sorry. But thank you for coming out. I hope you're enjoying this series, and until next time, signing out. Have fun.